In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove mention on Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then tap at that plus sign, select a picture or video, let it be that short video. All we have to do now in order to mention or tag someone is just tap at that stickers icon, select mention, and then we can mention any user. However, if you want to tag someone on your story but don't want it to be visible, you need to do the following steps. Just drag this mention sticker outside the screen, just like that. It won't be visible on the story, but the mention will work, and the user you mentioned will be notified that you have tagged them. That's how you can easily remove mention on Instagram story.